Hey all, here at OS Reviews. You guys may recall that about a year ago we checked out the rolling square InCharge that they called the Swiss Army knife of USB cables because it contains all these tips into this one design. So it has a full-size Type A, can be converted to Lightning for iOS, USB Type-C to USB Type-C can also be used, micro USB. The company itself, Rolling Square, is also based in Switzerland, so that analogy to a Swiss Army knife really does apply. Well, there were a few small cons at the time, one of them being that the end caps for the USB tips were not fully protected. Now in this upgraded version called the InCharge X, they have pretty much solved that issue, and now it comes with this protective cap that closes everything together when it's not in use and prevents, again, any dust or grit from getting into the USB connectors. So aside from the upgrade by including an end cap as part of the design, the price at $30 a pop is still, say, a little bit high for a USB cable, but it is very well engineered and built. The other main upgrade this time around is the charging speed. So whereas the previous gen model only charged up to 20 watts, so fast enough for charging smartphones and tablets, this one here gets up to 100 watts. So you can even use this to charge a MacBook or a laptop. Power and wattage have been significantly upgraded, and you can now charge pretty much any device using it. Once again, the cable is constructed out of a aluminum alloy shell, which does feel pretty sturdy. We have just the InCharge logo, and the end cap is made out of rubber with the rolling square logo. So immediately once we pop it open, we can see it's held using these magnets. So it tightens up very securely. This can lock onto your keychain or backpack. And we do have the different tips, which you can then interchange between just by unhooking here. So if I pull on this a bit, you'll see that I can change between Lightning instead to USB Type-C. The other side right now is still a full-size Type A, but if I wanted to further change this to, let's say, another Type-C to Type-C, there you go. Now I have this particular option which supports up to 100 watts for power. And what's special here as well is this Lightning port, by the way, is not only Lightning, but it's also micro USB. So this is truly a very clever design because they've made micro USB basically in the center, but then the contacts on the outer side can still work with iOS devices. But as expected, everything here is fully functional. And as far as the cable is concerned, it's a braided texture, so it won't really break down over time and makes it feel a little bit more sturdy. I will also mention that just like before, they have made two variants. So this is not the only model that you have. They also have an X Max edition, which is the same product, but just has a longer cable length. If you find this to be too short, you don't need it to be just a keychain wallet sized, but you want to actually use it for charging onto a wall, for instance, or actually using to charge a laptop. You get the same versatility of the 6 connector tips, but obviously now we have a much longer cable length. And in terms of pricing, this cable is about $10 more expensive, but it is 1.5 meters or 5 feet in terms of the length, so it will be a lot more comfortable, like I said, if you want just a more versatile setup, but obviously it no longer works on a keychain, so you can consider kind of the pros and cons of the two sides there. Alright, so in this quick demo, we can see that the tiny InCharge X, we're using a Type-C power bank, and we are charging up this laptop, not to mention smartphones, which probably is a little more convenient because the cable is so short. You can actually put the power bank still into a backpack or a pocket if it's a smaller one, and it can still be charging your device. The cable doesn't really get in the way as much. Typical phones will charge up in around an hour or two. Same thing goes with most laptops and computers. So again, working as expected. Same thing goes with iPhones. One thing I will say though is the dual-sided tip here that also works for micro USB, because it is in the shape of Lightning at the outside at least, I do find it to be a little bit tight. It definitely works, but compared to a regular dedicated micro USB tip, sometimes you have to apply a little more pressure to actually put it in and pop it out. But again, if you're primarily using the Lightning as well as the Type-C and Type-A ports, it's going to fit a little bit more naturally, and overall I think it is, again, very clever in terms of design. So that's more or less it as far as our hands-on review of the new and improved version of the InCharge X Swiss Army knife style USB cables. You can check out more details if interested in the links below. Thanks for watching here at OS Reviews.